Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for that perfect ETF combination that balances growth, stability, and income, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into two of the most powerful ETFs on the market, SCHD and VOO. I'll show you why combining these two could give you the healthiest portfolio for long-term investing, one that grows steadily while paying you consistent dividends. By the end of this video, you'll know why SCHD plus VOO is a smart duo, the potential performance based on real data, the ideal allocation strategy, and how to adapt this combo for different investing goals. So make sure to stick around till the end, especially when we run through the perfect SCHD plus VOO portfolio setup. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's start by understanding what makes each ETF so special. VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, is designed to mirror the performance of the S&P 500 index, America's top 500 companies. It's all about growth, diversification, and market exposure. Meanwhile, SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies with strong fundamentals, like Pepsi, Texas Instruments, and Amgen. VOO gives you broad market growth, while SCHD gives you reliable income and downside protection. Put simply, VOO grows your wealth, and SCHD pays you while you wait. That's the balance every investor wants, growth and income in harmony. Let's talk performance. Over the past decade, VOO has delivered about 11 to 12% annual returns, closely tracking the S&P 500. On the other hand, SCHD has averaged around 10% annually, but with less volatility and higher dividend yields, typically around 3.5% or even higher in some years. If you invested $10,000 in each ETF 10 years ago, here's what it would look like today. VOO, roughly $30,000, $32,000, SCHD, around $27,000, $29,000, but with SCHD giving you thousands in dividend income along the way. So if you had both, your portfolio would have grown steadily while earning strong dividends every quarter. That's what we call a healthy portfolio balance, growth that feeds your future, and dividends that feed your present. Now, how do we combine SCHD and VOO effectively? Here are three allocation models based on investor goals: growth-focused, 80% VOO, 20% SCHD, ideal for younger investors looking for compounding and capital appreciation. Balanced portfolio, 60% VOO, 40% SCHD, perfect for mid-career investors who want a mix of growth and income. Income-focused, 40% VOO, 60% SCHD, great for retirees or those seeking stable cash flow with moderate growth. This flexibility is what makes this combo so powerful. You can shift your allocation as your financial goals evolve. Remember, both ETFs are tax efficient, low cost, and built to last. Let's focus on what SCHD brings to the table: dividend power. SCHD pays quarterly dividends, often yielding 3.5 to 4%, and it has a 10-year dividend growth streak. Meanwhile, VOO's yield sits around 1.4%, but its companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson still provide dividend consistency. When you blend them, you get a yield around 2.5% 3%, depending on your allocation. That's enough to reinvest or supplement your income without sacrificing growth. So while others chase risky high-yield ETFs, SCHD plus VOO gives you peace of mind and sustainable returns. One of the biggest advantages of this combo is how it handles volatility. VOO tracks the entire market, so during bull runs, it outperforms. SCHD, on the other hand, holds dividend aristocrats and value-oriented stocks that drop less during market downturns. In 2022, when markets fell nearly 20%, SCHD outperformed VOO by several percentage points, helping cushion your portfolio's value. That's why the SCHD plus VOO combo works like a financial seesaw. When one side dips, the other helps stabilize your balance. Now, let's put it all together. Here's a simple step-by-step plan. Decide your ratio, like 60-40 based on your goals. Set up automatic monthly investments. Dollar cost averaging ensures consistency. Reinvest dividends from SCHD back into both ETFs. Rebalance annually to maintain your chosen allocation. Hold long term. This is a wealth building strategy, not a short-term trade. You can do this easily through any brokerage like Charles Schwab, Vanguard, or Fidelity, and pay almost no fees. So what's next for SCHD and VOO in 2025 and beyond? VOO continues to benefit from US tech dominance and innovation. SCHD thrives as dividend growth companies stay strong even during inflationary times. Together, they offer resilience, performance, and predictability. If the market booms, VOO shines. If the market struggles, SCHD keeps your portfolio alive with income. That's why many investors call this combo the ultimate ETF marriage. So there you have it, SCHD plus VOO, the best combination for a healthy, long-term portfolio. It's simple. It's effective. And most importantly, it works. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment below. Right pointing finger emoji. What's your allocation, more SCHD or more VOO? Until next time, stay invested, stay patient, and keep building your financial freedom.